We're making jerky. I'm gonna film Tammy. No, video Tammy. It's supposed to be done. This is our first look.
Ooh.
Wow.
Looks good.
So, who has to try it?
It's good. Gotta find something to put it in.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
It is good. I think I'd probably put a little bit more brown sugar in it. If you'd like my recipe, it's right there in a bag. I put some of this in it, some of that in it, some of this in it, a little bit more of that. A little brown sugar from the cupboard down there. Salt. There's paprika. Homemade onion powder. Didn't have onion powder, so I had onion flakes. And Tammy's Pampered Chef blender will grind onion flakes into onion powder. Liquid smoke. Put some of that in there. What's that there sauce? Soy sauce back there. All kinds of stuff. Ground pepper. Salt, of course, and jerky. There's usually salt. Anyways, how much did it make?
I'm still getting it in there.
What are you looking at?
There you go.
I think that was about a pound of stew meat to begin with, which was worth one stew. This, however, I could trade this for toilet paper.
We don't need toilet paper.
Oh.